Hi, welcome to my channel. Naririnig nyo yung voice meter banana from streamers, YouTubers, and friends pero hindi nyo alam kung paano i-set up. Stick around and I'll teach you how. Hi, I'm Nimbo and I stream games sa twitch.tv/NimboPH. On this video, I will discuss kung paano nyo i-set up ang voice meter nyo and how you can use it sa iba't ibang applications and games. Disclaimer, I'm not an expert and this is just how I set up my voice meter. Kung may tanong kayo tungkol sa video na to or may hindi ako na-cover, please comment down below. So now, let's get started. So, ang una natin gagawin ay i-download yung VoiceMeeter Banana, which is here. Go to this page and then scroll down, click on install, and then you'll be able to download voicemetersetup.exe. After that, download naman natin yung VB audio cable or VB cable virtual audio device. On this page, click on download. All the links will be in the description below. So once you're done downloading the two, go to your downloads folder, or for me, nilagay ko na siya kanina sa desktop ko. Open nyo yung VoiceMeter setup and then install nyo yung VoiceMeter Banana. And then for the VB cable, extract nyo muna siya. Once it's extracted, you'll have this folder. Open the folder and then install it using VB cable setup x64. After the installation, restart your system. So after restarting your computer, open up VoiceMeter Banana. Ito na siya. So sa VoiceMeter Banana, we will only discuss two parts. The input, itong tatlo na panel or column, tsaka yung output part. So for the input, you'll have to select your microphone. Gamitin natin yung unang column. So sa inyong nakalagay dito, select input device. Click on select input device and then click on WDM and then your microphone. So sa case ko, gamit ko microphone NVIDIA broadcast. So yung microphone ko is Razer Siren X. It's connected sa NVIDIA broadcast ko para makancel yung noise ng aircon, ng fan. After that, we have to first select our output. So in this part, click on A1, then select WDM cable input. So ito na yun, yung dinownload natin na VB audio cable. Instead of using your headset or your speaker as an output, we will be using a virtual output. Maririnig yung sarili nyo tapos may delay pag gamit natin yung speaker or yung headset. So after setting that up, so let's discuss yung input. So ito yung IntelliPan under voice color panel. You can move this around. Sa inyo, ganito muna. Start. You can experiment, record yourself. You need it to go high. If you move it to the right, it will give you treble. If you move it to the left, it will give you bass. So sa akin, ganun ang intindi ko. I'm not really sure. So, ganun. So, sa akin, ito yung setup ko. So, record yourself, listen to it. Kung okay na kayo, then that's it. Pero ano siya, trial and error. Medyo matagal-tagal yan. After that, there's a compressor and gate. For the gate, I believe it's for the noise. The noise gate, para yung mas mababang decibel na tunog, hindi maririnig ng mic nyo or hindi ilalabas ni VoiceMeter Banana going to the application or going to the game that you'll be using it. The compressor, so para yung level ng loud na sumigaw man kayo, hindi mabibingi yung nanonood or yung nakikinig sa inyo. And then after that, this is the gain. If your microphone is not going green or mahina yung boses nyo, you can put it high or down. So sa akin, ganyan lang. So for the voice meter, that's it. We will now move on how you can use it sa ibang application. So para sa sample natin, ang application. I'm gonna use Discord. So just click on settings sa Discord ninyo and then click voice and video. So sa input, you will select cable output. Diba kanina cable input yung nasa VoiceMeeter banana natin, which is this. Yan. So para mag-input yan kay Discord, gagamitin natin si virtual cable na cable output. Select that. That's for the input device, and then for the output device, in my case, I'm using Razer Nari Ultimate Game. And then that's it. Ngayon naman gagamitin natin siya sa laro. So dito sa Valorant, importante yung communication. So mas maganda maayos yung microphone ninyo or yung naririnig ng kakampi ninyo. So how to do it is click here, this cogwheel icon, click settings, go to audio, go to voice chat, then you'll have this. Output device, dyan yung maririnig yung sinasabi ng kakampi ninyo. So sa akin is yung headphones ko, Razer Nari Game Ultimate. And then for the input, dyan dadaan yung mga sinasabi nyo papunta sa kakampi ninyo. So click on that. Katulad ng sa Discord, cable output din ang gagamitin ninyo. Cable output VB audio virtual cable. And then that's it. That's how you connect it to the applications and games. That's the end of our VoiceMeeter basic setup tutorial. Sana nakatulong tong video na to sa inyo. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and gameplays. You can also watch me on twitch.tv/NimboPH. Thanks for watching.